So the fridge is still full because last night we had a donation of sauerkraut come in. We have a company over in Pajaro. Actually, I think it's in the Royal Oaks community over there. Make sauerkraut. They bring a donation every once in a while. And then Aubrey has a job over at a little market in Pacific Grove, I think it's a health food market. And she brought us eggs. How sweet. Look at all those eggs. There's our other little pantry bunny hanging out over by the recycling boxes, grooming himself this morning. So here's our little barnyard bunny. There's another little black one, but they just live and stay in the barnyard. And happiest little bunnies. Every once in a while they let us catch them and pet them, and they eat grass and leftovers and are wild and free. This is Big Mama. She's a New Zealand giant. She is a big mama. We'll take her out of cage and show her later. So this is our old garbage truck. We helped someone do a clean out, so we've got quite a bit of stuff on there. But this old garbage trailer was given to us by Ben Kaltenbach, and it's been really good. We just don't want to haul fresh food and garbage in the same trailer. It's not a good practice, I guess. But that's our old trailer. She can sure haul, though. So here's our piling of boxes for recycling. Well, those will all be broken down by volunteers. Some farm supplies for the farm. And let me show you what's left over after people come and pick up. So this is what's left over. There's quite a bit, but it'll all be broken down and split. Some will be sent over to the animal sanctuary, and there's always a ton of bread left over. And some will stay here to feed the farm animals. And I'll take you down to see the pigs now. Here we go into the muddy pig pen. We've got a few piggies, and this is their water source right here. You can see the nipple on there, and then we fill the barrel up and they suck it out of the nipple. And this is what we call pig salad. Our pigs eat really good. Oh, here he comes. He's a hungry boy. There she is. Come on. He's always trying to knock over my pig salad before I get it out to where it needs to go. So here we go. There's some pigeons working on some leftover bread. But I've been trying to dump it out here over this ice plant because I'm trying to kill the ice plant. And if I dump it on the ice plant, the piggies will kill it. So it's breakfast time. Everybody knows it. Here comes Cisco. Hi, Cisco. Good morning, Cisco. He likes to get his head scratched. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he likes to play. Good boy. And all the chickens, here they come. Everybody getting their breakfast. There's some good big piggies. So these are American guinea hogs, and we just keep them in the big pasture, and you can see it's a big pasture. And they usually stay just close to home. They don't go far. They're very mild-mannered. I mean, they're not mean. They don't have a mean bone in their body. They're the sweetest little piggies ever. Yeah. Happy piggies. Still We got a mama with a couple babies. And she's teaching them how to get food out on the barnyard. That's our chicken run there. We just build a... We come in here. Here's our chicken house. Oops, someone knocked the feeder over. You see, we've got a couple late risers up in the rafters. Those are pigeons. And this is Mama Hen, who's been sitting on her eggs. Like she let someone lay an egg in her clutch, and now she's got back on her eggs. What a good girl! Hope she's gonna hatch out some eggs in a couple weeks. Looks good. Good morning, chickies. We'll let the chickies out to graze in the morning. You can see them. They come out. There's Cisco! There's Cisco cow. It's a foggy morning. Here they come. They think they're getting something to eat. Let me go around the other side and I'll introduce you to the pigs. So here we go. Our quail eggs failed to hatch. So we filled our little incubator back up with silky eggs that someone gave us off Craigslist. She says they're show quality. So we're going to try that. And the rest of the silky eggs, we're going to go put under a hen this morning. And I'll show you that.